Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and we'd like to stay in touch. Now we've been working hard on uploading a lot of videos to this channel. We've got a whole lot more scheduled. Now I know that you already know how to subscribe to our channel. All you have to do is push that little red subscribe button, right? But do you know how to receive notifications when we have uploaded one of those new videos? Well, I gotta tell you, I had absolutely no idea how until Lisa here taught me how. And now we'd like to teach you. So she's going to put together a little demonstration because, again, I'd like to be able to stay in touch. So Lisa, take it away.
Hover over the watermark and click subscribe. Or click the like button. Next, click the subscribe button and you'll see the bell where you can click it and choose all to be notified for all future videos coming from Rags to Rugs.
Okay. So that was pretty easy, right? I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will stay in touch. If you have any questions whatsoever, just leave it in the comments field and we'll get right back to you, promise. In the meantime, make it a great day.